Hello, you beautiful souls. Jeannie Lynch coming to you today. I have a beautiful gift for you, and my way of saying how much I appreciate you for being part of my community. So we're talking about affirmations today, and I hope you know this, but if you want to level up your affirmation practice, all you have to do is do your own mind movie. Take your I am statements and your affirmations and put them to your own voice with visuals. Listen to it every day, and you have just leveled up, my friend. So my offering for you today is it's all done for you. All you need to do is listen to the following I am statements, put them in your own voice, your own audio file, and send it back to me. I'm going to be dropping my email. I'll even give you my text, and you can do this right over the phone, and I will text you back your own I am statement movie. Are you up for it? If not, just go ahead and continue to watch. You'll still receive the benefit, and the offer is still out there for you. Let's do this. I am statements, my gift to you from the intuitive mindset. Enjoy. I am honest. I am loving. I am curious. I am grateful. I am kind. I am slow to judgment. I am fair. I am a great leader. I love learning. I am funny. I am hopeful. I am forgiving. I have perspective. I appreciate beauty and excellence. I am brave. I can self-regulate. I always persevere. I show zest. I am socially intelligent. I am a great team player. I am humble. I am creative. I am pertinent. I am spiritual. And I do appreciate you watching. Don't forget, my offer stands. I hope you enjoyed today's mind movie. Yours is on its way. Namaste.